5 simple steps to mega wealth. Sounds good, doesn't it? Just 5. And by the way, don't think it's too simple. I would encourage you to write these steps down. I've done a lot of seminars where I've asked the people in the crowd if they can possibly think of a 6th or 7th one. So far, I haven't got a 6th or 7th. So either people have been keeping it to themselves, or there is no number 6 or number 7. Look, within these 5 things I'm going to share with you, there's a lot of different things you can do. But this really does prove that business is very simple here. Making a lot of money, whatever that means to you, can be a very simple kind of thing. And here's all you have to do, just 5 steps. You simply get more people to give you more money, more often, for more profit with each transaction, with greater efficiency. That's it. That's the whole secret of business, okay? And you can break all that down. Number 1 is get more people. Well, you got to get the right people. Who are the right people to give you more money? So we're looking at bigger transactions every time that they do business with you. More often means you're getting them to come back. Repeat business is the key to all successful businesses. For more profit per transaction, so you're watching your profit margins with the greater efficiency, which means you're simply watching your cost. So it's just like a combination on one of those old-fashioned safes, where you have 5 different sets of numbers here, and you got to get all 5 numbers right. And if you do, you can open it up. All the money inside is yours. I know that that's a great visual analogy, and I've thought about this for years. Business really is this simple. Getting more people, we're talking about the right people here, to give you more money. So we're talking about trying to sell products and services for the most amount of money. Bigger transaction sizes, more often, getting them to come back again and again and again. Repeat business, it's all about relationships. It's all about keeping people happy so they'll come back more and more and more. For more profit with each transaction. So again, it's not just selling stuff for more money. It's looking for ways to increase your margins and looking for different services you can add that, different products and services that give you better margins. And then with greater efficiency. Some of the times I've made the most money is also when I was losing money too, because my efficiency was just terrible. I was running companies that were mismanaged because I'm a terrible manager, and the people I had running my companies were not much better than I was. So, business can be difficult, but really it's not rocket science. One of the guys that has been my mentor for years, he keeps talking about all these idiots that he runs into that are multi-millionaires because they built very successful businesses. And in the end, it really does just break down to these 5 things. I can't think of a 6th one. I've racked my brain. I can think of a lot of different ideas that all fit into one of these 5 categories. But these are like the primary colors. There's only 3 primary colors, and then all the different shades and different tones and colors come from those 3 primary colors. These are the 5 primary colors of business here. Just getting more people to give you more money, more often, for more profit per transaction with greater efficiency. It's something that if you just think about it, write it down, memorize it, analyze it, think about all 5 of those steps. It's brilliant. This is absolutely brilliant. And then maybe if you want to really think it through deep enough, you'll try to think of a 6th or 7th one, but good luck there, because every time you do come up with more ideas, they all fit under one of those 5 categories. So write it down. If you want to make the largest amount of money for the longest period of time, all you have to do is get more people to give you more of their money, more often, for more profit every time, with the greatest efficiency. So hope something I've said here helps. I hope you'll write that formula down. I hope you'll think it through. And thank you for being one of my clients. If you're one of my clients, we show you how to take each one of these 5 things. We break it all down, give you lots of different tips, tricks, and strategies for making the maximum amount of money with each one of these 5 simple steps. And if you're not one of my clients, you're watching this on YouTube or somewhere else on the internet, you want to know more about me, click on the link below. Thank you very much, and bye for now.